The government has decided that the evidence of a potentially grave situation arising in the weeks ahead is now too strong. Therefore, for a period of 6 weeks from midnight on Wednesday night, the entire country will move to level 5 of the framework for living with COVID-19. Before I talk about what this will mean, I want to speak for a moment about our schools and childcare services. It is the view of government, supported by the advice of NPHET, that our schools and childcare services should remain open. This is necessary because we cannot and will not allow our children and young people's futures to be another victim of this disease. They need their education. The fact that we have been able to open our schools and keep them open is because of the extraordinary efforts of our administrators, principals, teachers, special needs assistants, parents, childcare providers, cleaners, caretakers, and entire school communities. They too are on the front line in this crisis, and they deserve the gratitude of the entire nation. As a government, we have invested heavily to support this effort, and we will continue to work with school leaders to keep schools open. Similarly, I want the whole country to know that we will be supporting this effort to suppress the virus again with enhanced financial supports for individuals and businesses. We will be improving the pandemic unemployment payment and the employment wage subsidy schemes to take account of the new restrictions. We will be prioritising the rollout of new supports in mental health services. I understand that social isolation and anxiety is a very real issue for many people, and especially those who live alone. Therefore, we are including as part of the own household provisions the concept of a support bubble. This will allow persons living alone, parenting alone, or similarly at risk of social isolation to pair with one other household as part of a support bubble. A full list of level 5 restrictions will be published on government.ie, but they will include that there should be no social or family gatherings in homes or gardens, but visits on compassionate grounds and for caring purposes can continue. We have decided that attendance at weddings will be maintained at 25 guests. Restaurants, cafes and bars will be permitted to provide takeaway services only. Only essential retail may remain open. Everyone in the country has been asked to stay at home, with exercise permitted within a 5-kilometre radius of your home. Only essential workers whose physical presence in the workplace are permitted to travel to work. Those who can work from home must do so.